If you're wondering whether to use Microsoft Word or Google Docs, you're not alone. Both are powerful word processors, but each has unique strengths depending on your needs. Today, we'll compare MS Word and Google Docs to help you decide which tool works best for you. Stick around until the end, and if this helps, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Let's start with Microsoft Word. Word has been the industry standard for decades, offering powerful formatting, templates, and advanced features like mail merge, macros, and extensive editing tools. It's perfect for creating professional reports, resumes, contracts, or academic papers. Word's interface gives you precise control over layouts, styles, and document structure, making it ideal for users who need high-level customization and offline work. On the other hand, Google Docs excels at collaboration. Being cloud-based, it allows multiple people to edit a document simultaneously in real time. You can leave comments, track changes, and share files easily with anyone, even without Microsoft 365. Google Docs automatically saves your work, and version history allows you to revert changes quickly, a feature especially useful for remote teams, students, and freelancers. However, Google Docs has some limitations compared to Word. It doesn't have as many advanced formatting or template options, and working offline requires setup through Google Drive. Conversely, Word now also offers cloud collaboration through OneDrive and Microsoft 365, closing the gap for teams that need both offline power and online convenience. Ultimately, the choice depends on your workflow. Use Word if you need advanced formatting, professional templates, or work mostly offline. Choose Google Docs if collaboration, cloud access, and simplicity are your priorities. Many professionals even use both, drafting and collaborating in Google Docs, then finalizing and polishing in Word. So whether you're a student, freelancer, or office worker, knowing the strengths of each tool helps you work smarter and more efficiently. If you found this comparison useful, make sure to like, subscribe for more productivity tips, and share this video with someone deciding between Word and Google Docs. Thanks for watching.